it's Hannah with WTI. If you like to ride bikes, you know sometimes you have little necessities you have to carry with you. Your phone, your wallet, your keys. But where do you put them? My husband used to always carry them in a backpack, but a backpack is really big when all you need is a couple little things. But Rome has this amazing phone storage mount. So you put your phone in the front and then it zips open and there is a little bit of storage. So it's plenty of space. I can fit my wallet, my Buds case, my keys, and then of course my phone. The zipper is really high quality and it's super closed, so it would be waterproof. So if it would start raining or anything like that, your phone would be protected and everything in it, it would be protected from the water. The plastic that goes over your phone screen still allows your touch screen to work. Even my thumbprint to unlock my phone works through the plastic piece, which really impressed me. So it's not like you're having to get in and out of this thing all the time. Once you get it all set up, you are good to go even if you need to use your phone. There's 3 Velcro straps that are really long, so this would be very adaptable for any bike, and it holds it in place really, really well. So we no longer have to carry a big backpack for a couple things on our bike rides. Now we have this tiny little thing that just Velcros onto our bike, and it holds everything we need. And that is my point of view.